Hey, this is Jordan Palmer from InlandMTB, and I'm giving you guys a bike check of my 2016 commencal and v4.2. It's a medium alloy frame. It's really lightweight. I feel like I can throw it around the trail with ease. It handles just as good as any carbon bike, in my opinion. And up to the front fork, we have the 170mm RockShox Lyric. I'm running 3 air volume spacers in the front, and on the rear shock I'm running the RockShox Deluxe RT 160mm. Great suspension setup. And to the drivetrain I'm running the SRAM GX 11-speed derailleur and cassette. Really crisp shifting, great pedaling. Cranks, I'm running the SRAM GX with a 32 tooth SRAM chainring. And I got some Crank Brother candy pedals. It's a really playful pedal. I like the feeling of that on the trail. Let's go to wheels. Wheels, I'm running the Mavic EN 427s, front and back. Great solid wheel right there. And tire setup on the back, I'm running the Maxxis Minion DHR2. And on the front, I'm running the Maxxis High Roller 2s. I believe they're both 2.4s. And dropper post, I'm running the RockShox Reverb 125mm. Great feeling, perfect. And go to handlebars, I'm running the Raceface Atlas 785mm bars. Feels perfect for me. Stem, I'm running the Ride Alpha stem. Brakes, I have the SRAM Guide R's. Work fantastic. And to top it all off, I'm running the Rev grips. Best feeling grips in the game. And that's my bike check.